So that little bit of a help that we need in terms of an anterior tilt, I'm going to lift my hips and gently slide forward. Hands come to the front. Palms come to the floor. I walk my palms to the front very slowly, so I'm lengthening my spine. Very slowly, do not go fast. And until you find that the arms are straight. So that means your chest is coming towards the floor as your fingertips walk towards the front. I'm going half an inch at a time, which is allowing my spine to lengthen towards the front. I keep my head lifted. I keep my chin parallel to the floor. I keep on walking my fingertips until my arms are straight. So I keep on walking. So I allow my pelvis side to rotate. I keep on walking until I find that I can straighten both the arms towards the floor. Once I do so, my fingertips, my palms will come to the floor. Then my elbows and my forearms will come to the floor. I lower myself towards the floor. My head comes to the floor. And I hold here. And I breathe. Allow the thighs to relax. Point the toes to the ceiling. Knees to the ceiling. And straighten my arms. And then lift my palms. Bring my hands onto my fingertips, walk the fingertips towards my heels. Right hand towards the right heel, left hand towards the left heel. All the time, forehead and nose and chin to the floor. Walk the hands, find the inside of the heels. Bend the elbows, see if you can bring the chin, the nose and the forehead to the floor, to the front. So using your arms to leverage. Breathe. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Chin lifts, nose lifts, forehead lifts, hands come onto the ankles, lift the head, slide the hands down, the shins, the knees, and the thighs. I bend the knees. I bring the right heel in, right heel out. I'm in Sukhasana.